how to add link to image in Webflow. So here from the designer, we want to click on add elements from the left hand side. And then first we will have to select link block here. So just choose link block and it's going to appear like so. And we type out the URL right here. So we can just paste this URL here. So for example, www.google.com. Okay, so we have created the link block. Now what we need to do is add the image as well. So here again, I'm going to click on add elements and then I'll scroll down until I see image. I'm simply going to click on it. It's going to appear here. I'll choose my image. I'm going to make this one. We're going to use this one and then I'll close this. Now what we need to do is actually drag this image inside the link block. So right here, if I just drag it and drop it in the link block, now as you can see, the link block contains the image, and if somebody clicks on this image, they will be referred to the URL which we typed out right here. I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.